Hello guys, welcome back to Send Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Litecoin. We're going to take a look at Litecoin on a lower degree, and we're going to take a look at the 21 EMA and all that good stuff. And basically, I'm going to show you why Litecoin could potentially be breaking out over the next like a few weeks and so on, right? So Litecoin is in a Litecoin bulls are in a very good position for a massive uptrend going into like a Q2 and all that good stuff, right? So if you enjoy the content, don't forget to hit the likes, right? Don't forget to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. My the Discord public group link also in this description, right? So now let's dive into the analysis, right? So now, if you take a look at Litecoin on a 3-day basis, we've been pretty, bullish on Litecoin since like back in November, right here, December, after we broke above the 21 EMA. First week of November, Litecoin 53, we said sucker is, could be going to the upside going forward, right? MACD cross bullish right here, 21 EMA crosses the 100 EMA right there. So things basically started to look very interesting. Started back in November, right? But the most interesting thing is, like, if you take a look at Litecoin in terms of support and resistance, you can see like whenever we basically retest the 21 EMA right here, if you take a look at it on Binance, you can see right there, right? Whenever we retest the 21 EMA, we tend to retest the 21 EMA with low sell volume. It means selling volume decreases right here, okay, while we basically retesting the 21 EMA. Right there, you can also see it like price dipping down to the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis. Selling volume, okay, it was decreasing also right here, okay. Right here, after the rejection at 220 230 range, selling volume started to decrease right there, okay. So right now we're getting the second support, just like we got right here. We're getting the second support from the 21 EMA on a 3-day basis with low sell volume, okay. The buy volume is pretty constant, right? So nothing to say regarding the buying pressure right here. So higher buying pressure, price action going up, right? We're getting higher buying pressure. That's not bearish, okay. But once like we start to see lower buying pressure, right? I mean lower selling pressure with lower lower prices, that's not that bearish, okay. So Litecoin bulls in a good position to basically trying to break this resistance of 225 to 235 area, okay. Target to the upside, it is pretty simple, right? We talked about the previous we talked about the target previously. We said we're going to be looking for a 120 extension to the upside, okay. The move right here, if like we're going to just basically look for, if like we're going to be looking for the extension of the correction wave right here, we could be looking for another bull flag just about like 290 to 310 area over the next few days and so on, right? So now let's take a look at Litecoin again on Poloniex. So if you take a look at Litecoin on Poloniex, if you basically just zoom out, right, you can see cleanly right here, okay, 250 been like a massive resistance. We talked about it before. Price action retested the resistance area. We said 240 250 most likely going to give Litecoin bulls a tough time, right? So if you take a look at it in terms of Fibonacci from swing high, right, to swing low, right, you can see also, guys, the range of 280 to 300 range, right, it is going to be 0.888 right there. And once we break this key area, definitely we're going to be looking for the 360 to 380, and after that we got the $800 $900 Litecoin to basically look for over the next like a few quarters, right? So Litecoin bulls, they're looking extremely dangerous. So something to keep in mind for the if you're a bear, keep an eye on a potential breakout right here, okay. Resistance, once again, immediate resistance, it is going to be our range right here, okay, 225 right to basically 235. So we could see a potential slight rejection if the volume is not that big, okay. Something to just keep in mind, 225 up to basically 237 range. All right, guys, that's all I wanted to cover regarding Litecoin. If you're new to my content, don't forget to hit the likes. Don't forget to join my public Telegram group, link in the description. The Discord public group link also in the description. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching.